In this video, we listed the 5 best hydraulic crimping tool on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VEVOR Hydraulic Crimping Tool. The handheld hydraulic hose crimper by VEVOR is a portable and versatile tool designed for both shop and field applications. Made of durable aluminum alloy, this hydraulic crimping tool promises high quality and durability, with a stamper hardness of up to 53 HRC. The integral hydraulic pump design makes it easy to use, allowing for quick and precise crimps on a variety of hose fittings. With a complete set of 7 dies and the ability to mount it securely on a bench or vise, this tool offers instant setup and efficient crimping for AC lines and hoses. Lightweight and compact, it comes with a carrying case for easy transportation, making it ideal for a wide range of applications in automotive and industrial settings. With positive biofeedback and a focus on quality and performance, the VEVOR Manual AC Hose Crimper Kit 71500 stands out as a reliable and effective tool for hose crimping needs. Number 2. CM300 Rechargeable Tools. The CM300 model is a powerful crimping tool with an output of 12T and a torque of 380 Nm, designed for crimping cables within the range of 16-300 mm. It operates on a 128 TV 16800H lithium battery and weighs 3.6 kg net and 7.6 kg gross. The package includes molds ranging from 16 mm 2 to 300 mm 2 for various crimping needs. For shipping, suitable methods such as DHL, FedEx, TNT, and UPS are chosen based on the weight and dimensions of the product. Import duties and customs clearance are the responsibility of the buyer. Russian customers can expect delivery through services like CDEK within 15 to 25 days, requiring the recipient's full name for smooth delivery. It is essential to provide a receiver name with at least 2 words for efficient delivery. For any queries or issues with the machine, customers are encouraged to contact the seller for prompt assistance within 24 hours. The CM300 is a brushless motor-type tool suitable for home DIY projects, operating at 18V and bearing the brand name Kotumi, with CE certification and originating from mainland China. Number 3. Tubular Terminal Crimping Plier. The product is a multifunctional plier designed in the European style with a straight handle. It is customizable and made from chrome vanadium, known for its durability and strength. This tool is suitable for various applications, especially in electrical DIY projects. The brand name of the plier is Wozobai, and it originates from mainland China, ensuring it meets specific quality and functionality standards for diverse usage scenarios. Number 4. Ferrule Sleeves Tubular. The mini European-style straight pliers with the model number HSC86246616-6 are designed for crimping applications in electrical DIY projects. Made of carbon steel, these pliers from the brand Lion Rage are customized for precision work. Originating from mainland China, these mini pliers offer a compact and efficient solution for various electrical tasks. Number 5. Electric Hydraulic Pliers. The ES300 model has a pressure of 60 knots, a working stroke of 17 mm, and a crimping range of 16-300 mm squared. It operates at a crimping frequency of 320 times, with a voltage capacity of 18V 2.5R. The crimping time ranges from 3 to 6 seconds per crimp, and it weighs 3.5 kilograms. The ES400 model, on the other hand, features a pressure of 120 knots, a working stroke of 42 mm, and a crimping range of 16-400 mm squared. It crimps at a frequency of 120 times, with the same voltage capacity as the ES300. The crimping time for the ES400 is 10 to 20 seconds per crimp, and it weighs 5.85 kilograms. The products come with specific crimping molds for various sizes. Additionally, the overview mentions details about tariffs, customs clearance procedures, shipping methods based on weight, and customer feedback guidelines. The tools are designed for home DIY projects, bear the brand name Kotumi, and are certified with CE from mainland China.